The year was 2018. One of my last installs as a full-time installer. Let's check it out. I remember doing the venting. I remember doing the line set. Man, that could have been done better. Could have been done better. Moving on. Returns. We had the transition. That was before we made any kind of brakes. And we were tape heavy. Electrical, gas, A1. So you know you got a good return sealed up too. It's been quite some time and it's still very clean in here. All right. Future service call. Who did the AC?
It was, and I'd never be able to remember the name. I don't.
Yeah, is that the first one?
Yeah, that's moving.
Oh, okay.
The other one's closed.
Oh, I haven't got that turned on.
No, I know. I'm just saying.
Oh, okay.
Now we're open. And switch should have turned the boiler on, and it did not. So 3 and 2 is in switch. Bad end switch on that one. Got a bad White Rogers zone valve. Jeez, I don't even have a fucking White Rogers zone valve. Here we go. It's used. Doing maintenance on this furnace here. See a little bit of corrosion. Not too worried. Gas valve is shooting out at 4.1 right now. Burning a little rich. We're gonna make some adjustments. See where combustion sits after adjustments. It's another inducer motor to warranty. That's a recommendation. We're talking clearance here, boys. That won't even fit my pad. It's gonna need a cleaning, I know it. Going on here with this one.